Good morning, everybody. I have another video with really fun candy that I found. So I got this flip phone pop. Do you see? Okay, let's show you again. Do you see? It's changing the screen. Ooh. And it also has, I think, something inside to eat. Look at all this glitter. It's like a fashion phone, and you can put it on your jeans. Then the next one is this jumbo push pop in strawberry flavor. I never got this, so I'm really excited to try it out with you. And then I have this thing. It says QuickBlast sour candy spray with green apple burst. So you have to spray it on your tongue, and it's supposed to be sour. Do you see, like in the picture? They're spraying it on their tongue. And this color is like so neon green. It already looks like it's poison and sour, and I'm so excited. What should I try first? I think, well, the phone. So let's open up the phone. Okay, open this up. Okay, finally. So see, the screen is changing and all these glittery things. So how are we supposed to open this one? We got a giant lollipop. Oh my god, look at this. That's a giant lollipop. You see how big it is? See, and if you don't want the lollipop anymore, you just close it. And if you want the lollipop, you just do this, and you will hold your phone and eat this lollipop. That's so awesome. Oh yeah. Well, let's try this out, this push pop. Did you ever try out this push pop? Okay, open this push pop. What did I do? Okay, I'm closing it. How do I push this one? You see this giant lollipop? Here, it's like close. And then I'm open it, and it's all out. That's some funny candy. And it's bright. And do you see this stickman dancing on the strawberries and having fun and all these bright colors? Ooh. Well, and now the one I'm so scared, the sour spray that you spray on your tongue. Should I try this? Well, I will try this. Let's try this out. Ooh, it's so sour. I'm crying right now. See? Spraying on you. Ooh, this was so scary. It is really sour. Well, let's try out this push pop candy. I'm really excited to see how this one tastes. But look at this bright color. Oh, and it's like see-through. Let's try this out. It is so sweet. I like it. And see, you can put it also on your jeans, and you can take it everywhere with you want. And every time you want some candy, you just open it up, and then you close it. Oops. And now we have this phone with this big lollipop on it. I hope this tastes good. Well, let's open. Candy. Ooh. Okay. See, it's see-through. I can see this push pop. Well. Oh, this tastes like watermelon. delicious watermelon candy. Well, I'm done with it, so I just close this up and use my phone. Really awesome stuff. Awesome stuff.